Nagbigay pa ng last-minute instructions ang ilang mentors.
Damit ni Mika, yung nakita ko. Yung glasses. Nakita ko. Ay,
Yan, okay.
para sa kanila.
Alam mo na. Alam mo na. Perfect. I love it. Thank you so much. Happy Fiesta!
Galingan nyo. Yung best nyo, ha? Okay?
Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad.
Had a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad, and you should know that. So call me maybe.
Si Mentor Philip, nagsilbing sandalan maging ng ibang mga protege.
End of the world. Don't worry. God is good.